Well, Tahawur Rana's extradition is a landmark moment for the Indian judicial system, particularly in our fight against terrorism, and also the diplomatic efforts which were made by the Indian authorities for the purpose of extraditing this accused from United States to India. Well, it's a win-win situation. I think it was a tough battle, but in the end, Indian authorities were successful in satisfying the court and the United States government both legally and diplomatically. Legally, because in United States, for extradition of an accused from United States to any other country in the world, the process is very tedious and the test is very high. Unlike in India, where the Indian courts allow extradition of an accused from India to abroad on the presence of a prima facie evidence, not beyond that. But the United States law is slightly different, where the threshold is a bit high, unlike India. So if Indian authorities were successful in satisfying that test, it shows that yes, there must be an overwhelming evidence to show that Rana is involved in this crime. And diplomatically, it shows that the trust and credibility and integrity between the Indian and the US government, where our request has been successfully executed, and the United States government, after appreciating the evidence, have come to a conclusion that this is one case where